Wouldn't you be upset? Wouldn't you be upset if somebody close to you, God forbid, was to suffer, was to lose their lives? And here he was talking to people from his constituency, getting emotional about the loss of lives.
You're talking about people being close to you, and then you mourn for them if something happens to them. First of all, he has every right, and anybody can get emotional, right? So I have no problem with him getting emotional. But the Prime Minister of the country has always used weaknesses to come to power. Now, if he starts using his weakness of tears, it is better that he resign, because he is not being responsible enough. That means he's saying that I am not going to be able to provide the systems, the organization to you to save your life. Because people have died. He has called Andolankaris, Andolanjeevis. He has made fun of people. He does not respect human life if he is making
So you're
fun
saying
of them.
because he's crying, it shows that he's weak?
No, yes, absolutely. He is a weak.
Crying is a sign of weakness.
About it. But I have no problem with him getting emotional. Anybody
so when people cry, they are weak.
And I hope he does get emotional about it. And he stops the Central Vista project. Just make sure that all the people are, given oxygen. People are given systems. People are provided with medicine. Ivermectin has been, the price has been high. All these things need to be corrected. And if he can't be responsible enough...
Okay, Shahzad Poonawalla, point, okay. So the point being raised by Sujata Paul is RP Singh, it wouldn't have come to the point where anyone has to cry if only the arrangements were made in advance. Nobody had to cry, nobody had to die.
Okay, Padmaja, we should understand the magnitude of the problem. I mean, it's not that anyone could foresee this. I mean, this happened, and we are trying to fight as a nation. Prime Minister doing the best. But coming back to the tears of Sonia Gandhi only rolled down once, I remember, when Vatla House happened. Mr. Salman Khurshid is on record saying that she couldn't sleep all night and she was crying all night for Ariz Khan, who has been convicted just recently, and some other terrorists. So there is a difference between emotions. You get a motive for terrorists, Prime Minister get a motive for people who are the frontline worker who are working hard to save the lives. And you get, Mrs. Gandhi get a motive for people who kill the Indian citizen. So there's a difference, and then we appreciate it. We understand where do you come from and what background you come from. That's why I said the family of Stefano Manio and Sujata Rao, I never interrupted you. The family of Stefano Manio would not understand emotions. Do you know who Stefano Manio was? He was the follower of Mussolini. He was the follower of Mussolini, and he happened to be father of Sonia Gandhi. So how do you expect people who hail from the family of Stefano Manio to understand emotions?
Are you doing anything about it? There are dogs, there are vultures, they are eating these dead bodies. What are we doing? Are you really bothered about people? Please do not compare.
Sonia Gandhi who only cried for terrorists.
Everybody's tears.
Who can be worse vulture than Sonia Gandhi who only cried for terrorists? Who can be worse vulture than Rajiv Gandhi who was on roads of Delhi when 3,000 people were killed? He was going around in city.
His tears to Sonia Gandhi's tears.
No.
Both of them are at the same level. Please understand that we are talking about saving lives. You are talking about the Prime Minister. You want to centralize it around the Prime Minister. That is not required. This is a democracy in India. You have to centralize everything around the people of India, Mr. Singh.
Ma'am, you talk about vultures? I still remember Rajiv Gandhi was on road with Mr. Titler.
Why are you going into the past? Can we talk about today? His best is not good enough for the people of the country. You are the world's largest party. Why can't you have another person in his place who can give us better facilities, better arrangements? That's all that I'm saying, Mr. Singh.
You booted 3,006 in Delhi. You talk about vultures? You are the worst vulture of Indian politics. You cry only for terrorists.
You know, जब कुर्सी लगती है हिलने तब आंसू लगते हैं बहने ये आप बता रहे हैं क्योंकि कुर्सी हिल रही है इसीलिए आप विपक्ष को टारगेट कर रहे हैं.
Okay, Shahzad Poonawalla, data sign of weakness. If you are helpless in the face of a tragedy, then what's the point?
Padmaja, crying is a sign of weakness only for those for whom tears are nothing but salt water. But for those who tears and crying is a symbol of sharing the empathy and sympathy with those who've actually felt a loss. When you stand in solidarity with those, then crying is actually an act of solidarity and an act of unifying and an act of giving confidence. But leave that aside, I don't expect the Congress party to be in solidarity with anybody. But here is my point. Instead of complaining about whether he was crying or not crying, why don't you point out, instead of getting personal against him, what are his flaws? Why don't you point out, point by point, why you have done better in Maharashtra, how you have done better in Punjab, how you have done better in Rajasthan, as opposed to what they are doing in UP or in Varanasi? The fact of the matter, Padmaja, is that Varanasi over the last 2 weeks has turned around. The fact of the matter is, Padmaja, that today UP is testing more than Maharashtra, about 3 lakh tests per day. The fact of the matter is that its positivity rate is 2.45. The fact of the matter is that Punjab has a case fatality rate of above the national average. Maharashtra is contributing the maximum number of deaths and COVID cases per day, even today. It has been leading number one per day. So now my point is that if you have done a better development or better management of COVID, why don't you show that rather than getting personal? And if nothing else, you could take the lead from the book of
Sujata Paul.
across the world.
Yes,
to stand in
nobody is
solidarity
getting
with
personal. Did I get personal about him? I'm saying that if he can't take responsibility, he should resign. And I'm not saying that the Bharatiya Janata Party needs to go. I'm saying that this is the world's largest party. They can get somebody else who can be responsible and save people's lives. As far as the UP is concerned and Maharashtra is concerned, we all know what has been happening in Uttar Pradesh, so let's not get there. Today we are talking about the Pradhan Mantri. And if the Pradhan Mantri is shedding tears, I have no problem with him. Everybody can get emotional. But you're talking about him showing empathy. Well, those tears, if they reach his heart, he will step out, step down and help people. He will try to make sure that people's lives are safe.